Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Today is the day 8 of solving basic DSA question. Okay, today's question is the count the number of even and odd element from an array. Okay, sorry for the spelling mistake. So in this problem, we just have to count like how many even numbers are there in array and how many odd numbers are there in the array. For example, see, we have array, right? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are almost 2, 4, 8 elements are there, right? Out of 8, see how many are even. 2, 4, 6, 8. 4 are even and 4 are odd. So we have to find this count of even number and count of odd number from an array. Okay, let's go for programming. For this, first what we required one array. Int array is equal to, put something random value, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, then we have to take two variable to count odd and to count even number, right? So one is for odd number is equal to 0. Initial both value are 0. Int even number is equal to 0. Now we have to read each and every element of array, right? For that we have to use for loop. For int I is equal to 0, I is less than length. Array length means array dot length comma I plus plus. Now we have to check whether the array element is even or odd. Okay, then if array element is odd, then we have to increase the odd number. If array element is even, then we have to increase the even number count. Okay, for that, how to check or even it? That is simple. If array of I modulus 2 is equal to 0, if this means if any number divided by 2, exactly divided by 2 means it is even, right? So we have to count, increase the even count, even plus plus. Else if that number is not even means of course that will be odd, right? Then we have to increase odd count. Sorry, odd number I guess. That's it. Now we have to print even number of ent elements in the array are even number, and for odd number then here number of element in array. See, I will check the program. Okay, see, it came correct. Even number of element in the array are 4. See, count 2 is even, 4 is even, 6 is even, 8 is even. Then odd number of elements in the array are 3 is odd, 5 is odd, 7 is odd, and 9 is odd. So suppose we change. Okay, suppose we change like 11 cover 15 cover 7. Okay, for this let's check answer. See, for this even number of elements in array are 3, odd number of elements in the array are 4. Suppose even, now count 2 is even, 4 is even, 2, 3, 3, correct. 4 number of odd means 3 is odd and 11 is odd, 15 is odd, 17 odd. So our code is correct. It will work for every condition. So it's simple. We have to take one array, that is our input only, right? And we have to take two variable for storing the count of even and odd. One is for even, one is for odd. We took odd number and even number count, right? Then inside that for loop we have to check if our array element is even or not odd. If our array element is odd means we have to increase the odd count. If our array element is even means we have to increase the even count. Then after the for loop we will get our count number, how many elements are even, how many elements are order, we will get out. Okay, thank you guys. Hope you guys understood this question. If you think it's important, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Okay, thank you.